So my look today is going to be inspired by this, which is by Glow by Ro on Instagram. So I hope you like it. Just gonna set that with this. Okay, so I'm probably gonna end up using a bunch of different shades, but I'm gonna start off with this one. Then I'm gonna go in with this one. And by the way, the palette I'm using is Mixed Metals by Profusion. Then just gonna add this right into the crease. Then just gonna blend it out a little bit more with these two colors. So then I'm just gonna take this shade from the Metallics palette and pack it all over the lid. Okay, so now once you got that down solid, I'm just gonna take a Q-tip, and this one already has makeup remover on it, and carve out the wing shape where I'm gonna put the white eyeliner. And the reason that I'm removing the makeup is because I don't want to mess up the tip of the eyeliner forever. And at first it's gonna look like a mess, so what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of concealer and go over the lines again. And just gonna put a little white powder over that. And now that I have a base down, I'm gonna go in with my white eyeliner, which I use two of them, one by L'Oreal and one by Kat Von D. Clean up around the edges with all the fallout and everything. Then gonna go over it one last time with the white liner. And perfecting the shape with the black. Okay, so now that I'm finally satisfied with the shape, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And since I want this look to be very glamorous, I'm using a brush for more full coverage, and I'll blend it in with a sponge a little bit at the end. Then just gonna conceal around the wing shape. Just gonna bake under the eyes and bring the powder all the way up to the edge. Then gonna go in with some bronzer. And contouring my nose. And then just baking around that contour. And gonna do just a little blush. Then just gonna wipe off that bake. Then gonna apply some highlight. Then for even more of a pop, I'm going to take this shade, which is pretty much just a white sparkle, and put it on the inner corner, the brow bones, and a little bit on the rest of my highlighted areas. Then just going to take this medium shade on my lower lash line. I'm just going to apply my lashes. And while those dry down, I'm just going to go in with some lip liner and lipstick. And then mascara is the last step. Okay, so that is the final look. So I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.